children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to study the most tasty chapter, that is our food. Without food we cannot live. Food gives us energy to work and play. So here in this chapter we are going to study the different kinds of food. So let's explore this chapter with me. Here, in this chapter, first we are going to study about meals in a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. We take 3 meals in a day. Then we are going to study about different kinds of food. Vegetarian, non-vegetarian food and different kinds of food. Then we are going to study about sources of food. From where do we get food? Then we are going to study about good food habits. What are the good food habits? So here, they were and we take this milk too with the breakfast before leaving for the school. Mother is saying they were we take the milk from me to drink with breakfast leaving before the school. Then Uri says milk is a very good food. It keeps us healthy, so we should drink that daily. Uri is saying we should drink milk daily because it is a whole food and it is a good food habit. Then Divya says, why do you give us milk daily, mom? I don't like much. But we like milk because it is a good food habit, and she is saying milk is very good food. It keeps us healthy. We all need food. Without food, we cannot live. It is one of the basic needs. Yes, food is a basic need. If we will not get food, we will feel low, we will feel tired, we will feel uneasy. We eat food when we are hungry. When we are hungry, we take our food. It helps us to grow. It helps us in growing. It helps us to be healthy. It gives us energy. We get energy to work and play. Do you know, milk is a very nutritious food. It is called complete food. Do you know? Milk is known as the complete food. It is the very much nutritious food. So now let's move to the next page. So now we are going to study the meals in a day. Meals, how many meals we take in a day. There are 3 meals that we take in a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. We take breakfast in the morning. We have lunch in the afternoon and we take our dinner at the night. In the morning, right before going to school, you take your breakfast. In the morning, we take breakfast. In the afternoon, after coming from school, you take lunch. In the afternoon, we take lunch. And at night, before going to bed, you take the dinner. At night, we take dinner. So here you can see a boy is taking his breakfast and he's taking his lunch and he's taking his dinner in these pictures. So now let's move to the next topic. Here are the different kinds of food. What are the different kinds of food? People eat different kinds of food. Food like pulses, soybean milk, nuts, eggs, fish and meat help us to grow. These food help us in growing. So they are also known as bodybuilding foods. So pulses, milk, egg, fish, these are the food that help us in growing. Next, some food items like rice, chapati, butter and sugar give us energy to work and play. Yes, so they are known as the energy giving foods because these foods give us energy to work and to play. Now let's move to the further slide. Here, food items like fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases. So they are known as the protected food because they protect you from many diseases. They give you vitamins, minerals and nutrients. Some people eat egg, meat, chicken and fish. They are called non-vegetarian because this is a non-veg. Because some people eat egg, meat, chicken and fish. This is a non-veg food. So they are known as those people are known as non-vegetarians. So now here, what are vegetarians? Some people do not eat egg, meat, chicken and fish. They eat food obtained from plants. They are called vegetarians. The people, those who eat plant-based food are known as vegetarians because they do not eat chicken, meat and fish. So they are known as the vegetarians. So now let's move to the next page. So, drink water. Water is also very important for us. It helps us to digest food. We must drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Daily, we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water because it keeps us hydrated. We do not feel dehydration in our body. It helps us in throwing the waste out from our body. So we should have 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Now, milk. Milk is very good for our health. It makes our bone and teeth strong. We must drink milk daily. Milk is a complete food. It is very good for your health. It makes our bones and teeth so much strong. So we should drink it daily. We get milk from buffaloes, cows, and goats. Now let's move to the next page. Now, what are the sources of food? From where do we get food? We get food from plants, we get food from animals. So let's begin. We get food, we get our food from plants and animals. They provide us food. We get pulses, grains, fruits, vegetables from plants. Yes, we get egg, meat, milk, honey from animals. Yes, we did. The two things are the provider of food, plants and animals. So the food that we get from plants is known as vegetarian food, and the food that we get from animals like egg, meat, and fish, that those are the non-vegetarian, non-vegetable food, and the food like milk and honey is the vegetarian food. So here you can see the food from plants and the food from animals that we get. Now let's move to the next slide. So let's check your knowledge, what you have learned till here. The very first question. Which of these is an energy giving food? Rice, apple or milk? Which of these is an energy giving food? Tell me the correct answer. Yes, milk is the energy giving food because it is so much nutritious. Now let's move to the next question. Which food helps us to grow? Pulses, chips or chocolates? Which food helps you in growing? Tell me the correct answer. Yes, pulses. Pulses helps you in growing. So that's all for our food. We eat different kinds of food. We should not waste food. We should have food daily. We should have all the meals. We should take balanced diet, the diet which contains all the essential nutrients in proper amount. That is known as the balanced diet. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you have learned. It's nicely. See you in the next class.